So,
why you put it thick out?
Yeah.
Let us see. Why is it so far away?
Because I wanted to get the whole food, like how we have everything on the table.
And can you talk a little louder too?
Yes. So she already started eating.
No, I didn't. Chewing gum. Chewing gum.
Before I even sat down. But hello, it's Jack and Cat.
Jack and Cat.
This is our, oh my god, mukbang.
Mukbang video!
Mukbang.
Whew, I'm excited.
I don't know what we're going to talk about, but I'm ready to eat. So I'm hungry.
So am I. So,
Let's start off with the Korean. Oh yes, this is all ordered from Taqueria Tsunami.
in Marietta, by the square, Kennesaw, Georgia.
I will be critiquing this as I eat, because that's just what I do anyway. So what are you going to talk about? Because I'm sure they're eating.
This is
The Korean fried cauliflower.
Yep.
I'm squeezing some lime.
You sure we can get it closer?
I mean, you can hold it closer. I'm ready.
This is good. Me too.
I didn't give us no napkins.
You didn't get yeah, here it is. Mmm. 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 Slap your mama. So I too ordered the Korean fried barbecue. Oh, what did I just say?
The Korean barbecue fried cauliflower.
I just ordered the fried cauliflower, okay?
Let's,
look at it. Yeah, take it closer. Woo!
Here it is. I'm really happy that didn't just spill.
And, you know, this is usually like a side dish. So what I did, because I'm hungry, I ordered some black beans and rice, and I'm going to mix it together with some sriracha.
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 It's pronounced sriracha.
Okay. How was your food? Why are you so quiet?
I'm hungry.
Okay. I'm going to add some sriracha. Everything has to go her way. Oh, this is good.
Really?
Beloved, I can't wait to meet you. Oh my God, this lady, I just love her. So, do you guys love her?
I also got fish tacos, because I only eat fish.
Show them your fish tacos.
I don't feel like getting up. I'm hungry. I got a mahi taco and a fried tempura fish taco. But I didn't order anything to drink because I just thought about it.
Okay, can we get some of your, she ordered yuca fries. Can we get some of the yuca fries? You're being stingy.
I may as well can I eat one at a time?
But you got 2 yuca fries. Can the sister try one of your yuca fries? Because it's going to get soft and mushy when you keep it in that container.
Oh my God.
I know.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Do y'all...
You know you got that one friend that be turned up about food.
It comes with spicy... Ooh, did I not close this all the way? Spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo.
It's pretty good. I like the spicy mayo.
I don't like to eat raw eggs, so I don't do the mayo. Okay, thank you. That's all I wanted.
Oh, I only would have got one order of fries.
And it's not
I was
crunchy.
like,
Oh.
Of course
No,
not.
I was just trying to be, trying to be polite. I wanted more, but I wanted to be polite. See, that's what happens when you keep it that long.
No, these still fresh. These don't taste like they would have been good fresh anyway. Like when they were just made.
But I think we would have said if we
They would
were
have been
sitting,
better.
I think if we were sitting in the restaurant. It's not usually fried yuca is really crunchy, but I normally have to ask for it to be crunchy. And because we did a to-go order, it's not crunchy. It's like kind of soggy.
Mahi is delicious.
How's your mai? You didn't even show them.
I showed them the container, the inside of the container.
So please make sure you like, subscribe, comment on our very first mukbang video. You extra when it comes to food.
I like food. This is the couscous.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't want to eat this with chopsticks.
I just don't know what I want to eat right now. I have so much in front of me. And it's real good and it looks like pearl. Ooh.
It smells good.
I guess I won't eat it because she put her nose in it and who knows what flew out.
My nose did not touch the food. Can you pass me a fork?
How many of you people, when you're eating with people, that they smell the food and then they pass you the food, like if it's in a tray, and then they expect you to eat it after they smell the food?
I will eat everything that's on top. I will eat the couscous on top, so none of my nose germs.
It could sneak in between.
I may as well cough on this then.
I guess. But y'all know what I'm talking about, you know? Ooh, this is good.
It's not bad. This is my first time having couscous. It tastes like small pearls of pasta. Like,
It's real good.
it reminds me of, is it gnocchi? Gnocchi?
Mm-hmm. Potato. Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
potato. Oh, you tell them about the guac.
I didn't finish. Slow down. Slow down. I was going to talk about it when I was ready to eat it. Again, this is mushy, but I think when you eat anything with sriracha, it's just phenomenal.
Sriracha.
Okay, sriracha. Okay.
I need to make that like your text tone. Sriracha.
Because I think of Archie, and then I say sriracha.
Oh my god, I know people like Riverdale, but I don't think I could ever get into Riverdale because it's so different from the Archie comics. It's so different from the comics.
Really?
Yeah, like Riverdale is like a murder mystery,
Mm.
and the Archie comics are like funny.
Random conversations,
It's
but
not random. You just mentioned Archie.
what I wanted to talk about, really, and I'm not trying to dominate the conversation, is can we go through this whole RuPaul drag race that you're addicted to?
Okay. I love RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay? Okay. I am obsessed with RuPaul's Drag Race. I love it. Like, I'm still upset that I have not finished season 3. I already know who wins, but I haven't finished season 3. It's the only season that I never finished.
Guacamole with tortillas. Their guacamole is phenomenal. So I got 3 scoops of guacamole with toasted tortillas.
What do you want to know about RuPaul? About the show?
Tell me a little bit about it, because that's when you come alive, apparently. I can't carry the show by myself, so.
RuPaul's Drag Race is a competition between drag queens where they compete to win, to be America's Next Drag Race Superstar. And they do like a lot of different challenges. They do acting challenges, sewing challenges, challenges where they have to like try and sell makeup products. It's really interesting to see the, what is that?
Can I some of your portal? Go ahead.
Oh, I thought all of my germs were on.
You did, because I saw when you ate from the top.
Go ahead.
No, you can use your fork. Go ahead.
But,
That's enough. Thank you.
but it's really interesting. It's really interesting to see the process. Like, before I started watching the show, I didn't realize how much goes into like drag performance. Like, they do way more than I've ever seen like any woman do to get ready for the
In a
day.
beauty pageant, you're right. You're right.
They wear hip pads, they wear boob pads, queens used to get red for
Death.
not wearing any type of padding. Now it's more acceptable to not wear padding, since like
Padding where boobs or
boobs, hips, butt.
Okay.
Cause like if you don't wear padding, they call it boy body. But
So what is your fascination with RuPaul? Like, when did you first discover this whole another side of your life that I'm just now knowing about drag race and drag?
Okay, well, really, my oldest sister was the one who mentioned the show, but it wasn't until a friend told me that it was on Hulu, and I started watching it.
Okay.
That, excuse me, that I ended up getting really into it. And I didn't start from the beginning. I started from Bianca Del Rio's season.
What season is that? Do you know?
I believe it's season 6.
Okay. RuPaul, shout out.
It's season 6.
Okay.
I do not like these Yuca fries. It's really hard to chew this. I'm gonna have to refry these or something.
Toaster oven. Okay.
But I really want to go to DragCon. I want to go to DragCon so bad. I want to
Didn't we have one
see.
in Georgia? We don't have.
I'm talking about RuPaul's DragCon.
Okay.
And the Drag Queen Christmas is gonna be here at the end of, I believe, this month actually. But I don't have the money to get VIP tickets. So
Is
it's
it-
gonna be Miss Cracker, who's my favorite from season 10.
It's Cracker. So where do they have the Dragon DragCon?
There's one in New York and then there's one in California. The one in California happens first,
Mm-hmm.
and then the one in New York happens like in the fall. I
Because we
think
do it better in New York. No, but we don't have one in Georgia?
I think RuPaul just started doing it in New York.
I'm shocked because he was raised here, so I'm shocked he didn't, Okay.
I thought he was raised in California.
I thought, because I think he's in Georgia.
I think but I don't think he was raised here.
Okay. Because he's from Louisiana.
I
Born
thought
in
he was from
Louisiana.
California.
Okay. Could we look up that fact, please? I thought he was from Louisiana and
My phone is over there.
oh. Okay. All right. So, what do you think of your couscous that you're eating?
It's pretty good. I wish it was warm.
I think what we should do next time when we're doing this, I think it needs to be on a plate because the containers are kind of hiding the food and,
Okay, what am I looking at?
RuPaul, where was he born?
Hey Siri,
These freaking
look up
millennials.
look up where RuPaul was born.
Well, you're not a millennial. 78. Oh, where was he raised? I thought in Georgia. Oh, I'm confusing him with the one from Savannah.
Wait.
The one who was in that movie with Clint Eastwood. That's who RuPaul looks up to. Manny LaRue or something like that.
Lady Bunny? No.
She's from Savannah.